When acknowledging someone's beauty, it's important to find the right time and phrase for the situation. There's no need for a specific reason to tell someone they're beautiful. If you feel the urge, just do it. It may be more meaningful to express it during a special moment or in a one-on-one conversation. Writing a note can also create an intimate moment if you're shy or unable to be present. When saying it, be mindful of being appropriate and avoid overwhelming someone with excessive praise. Keep it simple and sincere by saying, "You're beautiful," or use a superlative, like absolutely beautiful. Finding unique and poetic ways to express it can also make the compliment more special. It's important to be sincere and compliment specific features or personality traits. If unsure about their feelings, using words like cute or pretty can still convey your admiration. However, if you truly believe someone is beautiful, don't hesitate to express your feelings.